Hi, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can redeem codes on your Steam. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you're going to do is simply go ahead and open Steam on your PC. Finally, once you have opened and logged in into your Steam account, all you're going to do in order for you to go ahead and redeem your code is go up here and click on games, and over here there's going to be a redeem a Steam wallet code. And if it is a gift card, you're going to click on redeem a Steam wallet code. If it is a game or a product key, you're going to click on activate a product key on Steam. When you go ahead and click on activate a product key, or basically redeem code, you're going to get this page where you're simply going to click on next, and there's going to be a terms of service. You're going to say agree, and this is what normally the keys look like right over here, as you can see. So you can simply just paste your product code and click on next, and it will be redeemed. And this, if it is a Steam wallet code, obviously you go to redeem a Steam wallet code and then enter your code here and click on continue, and then it will simply add the funds to your account. So that is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below. So if you have any other problems or queries related to Steam, feel free to comment down below. If you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button and like the video. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.